English to Bulgarian. Go equals.
Отивам.
Welcome, let's roll. Hey you. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun path to fluent moves. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more goodies and practice packs. Today we learn go in Bulgarian.
Отивам.
Warm up your voice, do a tiny victory wiggle, and say it once with me. Nice. Buckle up for a friendly sprint through the forms, jokes, and a mini quiz. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say, go, naturally in all key forms. You'll also know a cheeky mood word for, so. Target verb, go equals.
Отивам.
Bonus mood, so equals.
Горе-долу.
Mission, speak it, hear it, and use it in many real-life lines. Forms you need, quick tour. Repeat after me out loud, your couch will forgive you. Keep it punchy. I go equals.
Аз отивам.
You go, sing, equals.
Ти отиваш.
He goes equals.
Той отива.
She goes equals.
Тя отива.
It goes equals.
То отива.
We go equals.
Ние отиваме.
You go, plural, equals.
Вие отивате.
They go equals.
Те отиват.
Base verb to remember.
Отивам.
Speed drill. Say it, play it. I'll cue the English, fire back the Bulgarian. Loud and proud. I go.
Аз отивам.
You go, sing.
Ти отиваш.
She goes.
Тя отива.
We go.
Ние отиваме.
You go, plural.
Вие отивате.
They go.
Те отиват.
He goes, bonus.
Той отива.
It goes, bonus.
То отива.
Tiny dialogue, fun and real. You're late but charming, use the verb to save the day. A. How are you? B.
Горе-долу.
So. A. Where are you going? B. I go now, that's.
Аз отивам сега.
A. And you? To one friend, B. You go right, say.
Ти отиваш надясно.
A. Team, we go together. B. Yes.
Ние отиваме заедно.
Guide voice to the group.
Вие отивате до автобуса.
Narrator. Look, the crowd is moving.
Те отиват.
Fast. Culture tip. Metro ready Bulgarian. Picture Sofia metro doors sliding open, cinematic, right? Before a commute, whisper the day starter. Go equals.
Отивам.
Try micro phrases. She goes to work.
Тя отива на работа.
He goes home.
Той отива вкъщи.
When you feel meh, rate your day.
Горе-долу.
Your commute just turned into practice. Quick quiz. Lightning round. Say or think the answer, then I'll reveal it. 1. They go. Answer.
Те отиват.
2. You go, plural. Answer.
Вие отивате.
3. Translate, I go now. Answer.
Аз отивам сега.
4. How do you say, so? Answer.
Горе-долу.
5. Fill the blank. He goes home, equals.
Той долна черта, долна черта, долна черта, долна черта вкъщи.
Answer.
Отива.
Challenge mode. Now you. Build 3 quick lines, keep them short and confident. A. We go to the park. Say.
Ние отиваме в парка.
B. Tell one friend, you go left. Say.
Ти отиваш наляво.
C. Answer. How are you, with, so?
Горе-долу.
Bonus. It goes well, contextual, idiomatic.
То отива добре.
Wrap up and high five. You crushed the core forms, nice work. Today you nailed, go, equals.
Отивам.
Across I, you, he, she, it, we, you, place, they, and the mood word.
Горе-долу.
Thanks for listening. This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing a little every day, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more English Bulgarian lessons, drills, and fun challenges. See you next time.